Good morning, Jip's head again. Lovely morning. We're at 11 o'clock, 11:05, and we're off to do today's 5-mile toss with the 27 YBs. Good morning, Towers. June the 2nd, Friday. Her Majesty's in danger of letting me get I was going to say getting the jump on her, but for now, you know what I mean? Because she's not in the car today. So we've come a little bit further down the road. That is called Bogle Bridge Cottage. There's a little bridge behind there. As I say, folks who've been around for a couple of years will recognise this. This is sort of 4 or 5 miles. I just like to spend a bit of time in the YBs and the early tosses just till they get their head around what they might be doing. And it's a beautiful morning. Just on about lunchtime, really. Probably about 11:30. 15 degrees, clear skies. Lovely. So yeah, we still have our 27. Kitty kite. So Corsock is about 5 miles that way. The true training route is up over there, but we take that corner shortly. In the next couple of tosses we'll cut out that corner. So give the birds 5 minutes and we'll get them up. Jipples nipples out in the field, unattended. Goodness, what was she thinking? Oh goodness, the girls' baskets fell open again, so they're away, and I'm in the middle of a piss, so that was a bit unfortunate. The boys are bashing their heads off their boxes now. There's the girls there. I better get on. Here we go. 5 girls in the sky up there. Up there somewhere. Be lucky, daddy's babies. Go on then, kids. All out. Good. I think my corner's about 11:21, I think. Yeah, they're getting their arses out the baskets quick now. Oh, fingers crossed, these things are absolutely on point now. They're not even circling. It's exactly where they're meant to go. I hate to be a bumptious prick, but fuck me. No turnbacks, no singles, nothing. Just gone. Surely someone's... Fuck me, back in the car, Katie Fankles. Well, goodness, classic TTR. Without being too crude, I got caught with my old John Thomas in my hand. 5 or 6 birds leapt out their basket. It was a bit of a kerfuffle, to say the least. So we managed to tidy ourselves up, and the birds have come out of the basket and gone. Never seen the likes of this before. They've never been here. They can't be ranging this far. They can't be 5-mile ranging, surely the fuck. So we'll scoot on up the road and see if there's 27 birds. Would be really good. What a start to my young bird training. See you in the garden. at 11:36. Back at the ranch. Yeah, the birds. Have we got all the birds? Well, it is the first of the birds. Okay, we're now looking uber spooky. Seems to be a bit of a walk in the park. Could do a few more around here. Oh, well, we're not all here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus what's gone in. So we'll maybe get to see them come in. Jolly hole.